Wala, 10 minutes na nilabay. Sorry. Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, good morning. So, let me check your attendance. Tisalinica, Ranoel,
Present, sir.
Rina,
Present
Jover.
Abehay, sir.
Okay, Joverine,
Present Joverin, sir.
John Paul,
Present Bacoor, sir.
Aryan, hello, Aryan, Camel, Manny Jean,
Present Marnie, sir.
Lara,
Excuse me, sir. Present Amarela, sir.
Present, Cachero, sir.
okay. Erica, Lovely,
Present Lovely, sir.
Trisha, Grace May,
Present Trisha, sir.
Kimberly Joy,
Present, sir.
Fedis Gale, Christopher John.
Present po,
Present
Fedi, sir.
couple, sir. Present couple, sir.
Okay. Jeff Ferolina,
Present Jeferlina, sir.
J. Julius, Friends Nicole,
Present, friends, sir.
Angel Nicole,
Present, Angel Nicole, sir.
Joy,
Present, sir.
Amisar,
Amisar, present.
Estrel,
Present Astral, sir.
Rexy, Jenny Rose,
Present, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
French,
Pakudan, present, sir. Sorry po.
okay. French Joshua,
Present French, sir.
Christine Jane,
Present, sir.
Dulce,
Present, sir.
Liza Kate.
Present, sir.
Alright. Okay, natawag, tanan. So, Kinsay wala bi. Si Aryan wala, no? Aryan Camel. Si Fedis. And J. Julius, wala?
Excuse me, sir. Present po in area, sir.
Okay. Right. Okay. So, let me share my... Budget lang, ha? Naming aromatic. Wait, ha? Asa na ta? Okay, dito tanong natin assignment about reaction mechanism. One of the assignment, no? Katong reaction mechanism. Wait, akong saan ako pasara ba to? Okay, this one. Okay, so let us answer this. This is one of your assignment. So to propose a two-step, sakto ba ko? Isa ni sa mga assignment no, i-submit ninyo yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so ato lang ni ansiran this one. So then padayon ta with our discussion. So propose a two-step mechanism for the addition of hydrogen bromide to 1-methyl cyclohexane. Sa kadali lang yun. Okay, so first is before the reaction mechanism, no, the overall reaction for this, no, we have 1-methyl cyclohexane. So 1-methyl cyclohexane. So maghimos ako overall reaction. And later on, the reaction mechanism. So double bond. So no matter what, bisag asa ninyo butang ang double bond, uh, pwede sa pwede din mo mag-double bond, diri, ano. So, doesn't matter. So, for me, cause this is 1-methyl cyclohexane, so the methyl group is here. Okay, so again, take note, no, in for naming cyclohexane or cycloalkane, no, the carbons with double bond, katong two carbons with a double bond are always carbon number 1 and carbon number 2. So 1-methyl cyclohexane reacting with hydrogen bromide. So ang product nato would be break ang double bond. So cyclohexane na lang. Nanubra akong ba? Ay, sorry. Basta cyclohexane na siya. Then you have to CH3. Alright. Okay, before na to, ang product na to is, but first, no? So again, sa carbon 1, carbon 2. So katong double bond, always to siya carbon 1 and carbon 2. Then this be a 4, 5, 5, 6. So 1-methyl cyclohexane. So the hydrogen, following the Markov-Nikov's rule, asa siya nga carbon mo attached in our sa atong cyclohexane ring. Sa ganitong Markov-Nikov's rule, ang Markov-Nikov's rule
Mo
state
attach ang hydrogen, sir, sa mas dagan og carbon, sir.
sa mas daghan og
O
hydrogen.
hydrogen dahil, sir.
Kung asay daghan og hydrogen. So asa may mas daghan og hydrogen between carbon 1 and carbon 2. So dinhi raman duha ra man gyud atong pilian ani.
Ang carbon 2, sir.
Ang carbon
Carbon
2.
2, sir.
Okay. Pila may hydrogen ani atong carbon 2? Pila ka
Isa ra.
2, sir.
isa.
Isa, yes, isa.
Yung isa ra. O isa. Kay parang 4 bonds pa atong carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it natay isa ka hydrogen. Ang atong carbon 1, pilay hydrogen.
Wala, sir.
Wala
Wala.
na, sir.
Correct, 0. So in other words, ang hydrogen din siya mo ato sa carbon 2. So maduha na bali sila diha dayon. Then of course ang bromine diri no sa carbon 1. So muna siya atong 1 bromo 1 methyl cyclohexane. Okay, so muna ato himuan og reaction mechanism. So, muna ato himuan og reaction mechanism. Two-step nga reaction mechanism. So, sa atong step 1, sa step 1 ani, sa tubi, sa sakto ba yung mga answer? O kung ako na-check yung assignment, unsa inyong gihimo nga step 1?
Step 1, sir, kay kato man atang hydrogen, sir. Katong positive.
Sa ngalan ana nga step dran.
Add a proton ba ata to, sir?
So add a proton. Correct. Sakto dran. So add a proton. So add tag proton. Proton addition ta. Asa gikan ang proton sa HBr. Ay napalit kong isa no. Sige lang. Atong balikan tong 6 strands na yun. Anyway. So add a proton. So we have methyl cyclohexane. CH3 plus H plus or ano yung gagamit? HBr gyapon?
H plus, sir.
H plus. Okay. So pwede ra H plus. So H plus. So ang curve arrow asa magikan?
Sa hydrogen, sir.
Sa hydrogen. Asa yung curve arrow? Let me see.
Padulong sa hydrogen, sir.
Padulong sa hydrogen or gikan sa hydrogen?
Ay,
Padulong
gikan.
sa hydrogen, sir.
Padulong sa hydrogen. Asa gikan?
Sa kwan, sir, kanang double bond, sir, sa carbon 2.
Alright. Pwede ra carbon 2 or sa double bond. Padulong sa hydrogen. Correct. So, result is this one. CH3, then natay carbocation. Of course, kanang carbon to pwede wala hydrogen o pwede po para mas klaro po tayo na ito duha ka hydrogen or isa. Then this carbocation here. Ang step 2 is, so that muna itong step 1. Okay? So proton addition. So proton is added to the ring, no? The cyclohexane ring. Step 2, unsa yung step 2? Step 2 is, nagbutang kong ngalan sa inyong step 2? Wala.
Wala, sir, pero i-describe na lang na ako, sir, kuan. Ang bromine negative, sir, kay mo bond siya sa carbon 1, sir.
Sa carbon 1. So muna nino. Then dapat ay positive charge ya. Nagbutang mong positive?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, it's
Yes.
a carbocation. So the bromine then or bromide ion. Okay. Now, ang curve arrow asa gikan?
Gikan sa bromine, sir, mo transfer din siya sa bond
Alright.
sa
Carbon 1. Yeah, no. Okay. Correct. Sakto. Very good. So, muna din atong step 2. CH3 bromo Br. So, that's 1 bromo, 1 methyl cyclohexane. Ang step 2 actually is the reaction 70B of a nucleophile and and an electrophile to form a new covalent bond. We did up step 1, step 2. Uh, okay. Question. Okay, nan. So let's proceed now. Padayon na sa takay. Papaso na to itong topic na mahuman for the midterm. So again, expect nga ang coverage sa itong midterm are 3 chap. Ang coverage includes the kaning tulo ka chapters, no? So this time, let's talk about another type of reaction, the addition of water or the acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. So water addition or acid catalyzed hydration. So in the presence of an acid catalyst, most commonly concentrated sulfuric acid, water adds to the carbon-carbon double bond of an alkene to give an alcohol. So itong product sa hydration of alkene with an acid catalyst is an alcohol. So product is an alcohol. So addition of water is called hydration. So in the case of simple alkenes, hydration follows the Markov-Nikov's rule, wherein hydrogen of water, so ang hydrogen sa H2O, adds to the carbon of the double bond with the greater number of hydrogens, and then the OH of water adds to the carbon with a smaller number of hydrogens. So always ganino ang timan-an nato for Markov-Nikov's rule, hydrogen always adds to the carbon with greater number of hydrogens. So most industrial ethanol is made by the acid catalyzed hydration of ethylene. So kanang mga synthetic mga industrial ethanol or synthetic ethanol are the result of acid catalyzed hydration of ethylene. Ethylene, or the IUPAC name is ethane. Ethane na siya ang ethylene. But you can also get ethanol from mga natural sources by through always no kung mag-decompose ang kuan or through fermentation. So in the process of fermentations of many organic matter, makaproduce man pod of ethanol. That's from a natural source. Pero kung industrialized source, especially kung i-produce nimo in large volume, so mas may na lang mag-perform o i-synthesize ang ethanol through the acid catalyzed hydration of ethene or ethylene. Di ba na yung mga advertise nga mga ethanol from sugarcane? Di ba? Unsa na siya nga kuan casino? Di ba casino rubbing alcohol? Di ba muna ilang advertise ethyl alcohol from sugarcane. So it's the result of fermentation. So here, this is how ethanol is produced from ethylene. So you have ethylene or ethane reacts og nag-water in the presence of an acid catalyst, usually sulfuric acid, atong catalyst, then makaproduce tag ethanol. So this is ethanol. Another example is propene. Okay, hydration of propane with sulfuric acid catalyst. Now here ma-apply na nato ang Markov-Nichols rule. So hydrogen will be added to this carbon, kanina is CH2, then the OH to this carbon. So ang result is 2-propanol or isopropyl alcohol. So hydration of propane with sulfuric acid catalyst produces isopropyl alcohol or 2-propanol. Another example, 2-methylpropene. 2-methylpropene, hydration of 2-methylpropene. And again, following the Markovnikov's rule, the hydrogen sa water is added to this carbon, kanina ay CH2. So muna siyang na greater number of hydrogen. Then OH is to this carbon, carbon number 2. So this is our carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3. So the OH is, dinit siya mo add sa carbon number 2. So the product is 2-methyl 2-propanol. Ay, wala pa na ako na-discuss no ang pag-name sa alcohol. Wa ko mo nag-alcohol. Pero ang pag-name sa alcohol, okay, the A, no? Ane, like for example, ethane, okay? Ang ane sa parent alkane, i-drop na siya and i-change to all. So ethan, yeah, this one, ethanol. Dili day ang ane, ang ira. Ang ira. Okay, so ang parent, the parent alkane. So for example, if the parent is ethane, so kung alcohol na siya, may mo siyang ethanol. Ano ang pag-name. Then kung ang parent is propane, then it becomes propanol. So butane, so on and so forth. Kung alcohol, butanol. Na lang. So all, it ends with all. So that the same rulings na yun sa mga substituent. No? Okay, this is 2-propanol. But we will have a detailed discussions on naming later sa pagkapot na tatong chapter on alcohol. But kani introduce lang sa nako basically kung saan the overview no kung saan pag-name kay naman tayo mga name din ikot na mention. So this is 2-propanol because the OH is naa siya sa carbon number 2. Oh. So this is 2-propanol. Na kung ni-ani po siya, CH3, CH2, CH2OH. So this is a carbon 1, 2, 3. Ang atong OH is naa sa carbon number 1. So ang name ani is 1-propanol. Then this one, ang name, this is our parent. Our parent is atong carbon 1, 2, 3. So natay subsequent sa so atong parent is a propane. So kung alcohol siya becomes propanol. Then the methyl group is natay subsequent ng methyl group on carbon 2. The OH functional group is on carbon 2. So therefore ang name niya is 2-methyl 2-propanol. Meaning the OH functional group is naa sa carbon number 2. That's why we have 2-propanol. So muna siya no, basically an overview on how to name alcohol. Dali na siya kay master naman mo mag-name of alkane. Basta maayo na mo pag-name of alkane, wala na problema pag-name sa other organic compounds, no? Other families or class of organic compounds. Murag pare-pareha. Okay. Okay, try ta ani nga mga practice exercise. Draw a structural formula for the alcohol formed by the acid catalyzed hydration of 1-methyl cyclohexene. Number 2, draw a structural formula for the alcohol formed by acid catalyzed hydration of each alkene. Natay 2-methyl 2-butene, then 2-methyl 1-butene. So for number 1, see our answer here. For number 1 is 1-methyl cyclohexene. Okay, this is 1-methyl cyclohexane. Acid catalyzed hydration, so plus water, H2SO4, natay acid catalyst, sulfuric acid. Okay, unsay product? So this is our 1-methyl cyclohexane. Ato day nganlan atong product ha. 1-methyl cyclohexane. Hexene. Okay. Okay, our product. So asa mabutang ang hydrogen? Natay CH3 here. Or ang OH, asa man din mo attach atong OH?
Sa CH, no.
Okay, mo man atong carbon 1, carbon 2. So asang OH sa carbon 1 or carbon 2? Okay, tanawa sa ninyo. Asa man na mo attach atong OH? Markovnikov's rule, asa ang H, asang OH. Be? Anyone? Raise hand.
I think sir mo attach ang kuan
Yeah.
sir ng ang hydrogen sa carbon 2.
Sa carbon 2. Oh, so mas CH2 na din siya. Ang carbon 2 din ang OH dran sa carbon 1.
Sa
Sakto?
carbon 1
Oh,
ata sir.
okay, correct. So carbon 1 atong OH. Hindi siya. OH. So base, sulay daw, try. Unsay name din ani? Unsa ni nga alcohol? 1-methyl. The name of the alcohol is 1-methyl 1-cyclohexanol. So not sa carbon 1. Both methyl and the hydroxyl functional group is attached to carbon 1 in the ring. So therefore, 1-methyl 1-cyclohexanol. Kamoy partner. Okay, question? Wala. Sige, Vic, kamo daw answer aning number 2. Letter A and letter B. So, i-draw ninyo ang structure sa 2-methyl butane. Maghimo gid mo reaction, no? Chemical equation. So 2-methyl 2-butane plus water, and then sulfuric acid catalyst and unsay product. For letter B, 2-methyl 1-butane plus H2O with sulfuric acid catalyst and the product. Okay. So kung ready na, you can raise your hand. Ipakita sa camera ang inyong structure. Okay, I will redraw it for our discussion. Sige, pag-imo mga 3 minutes or 5. Okay, so kung so you can raise your hand kung na may answer. Sige, pag-draw someone, give you time to okay. So, nanay mo answer? For letter A, kinsa nanay answer? 2-methyl 2-butane. Okay, pakita sa cam. 2-methyl 2-butane. So letter A is unsay structure sa 2-methyl 2-butane? Kinsa nanay answer? Nanay answer C. Let me call B. Kimberly. Asa si Kimberly? Kimberly Joy.
Yes, sir. Wala
Oh,
pa po
sa'yo
ko og kuan, sir.
wala pa?
Yes po.
Sige. Si Thessalonica. Na naka-answer, Thessalonica.
Sir, dili ko sure sir pero nakoy
Sige.
answer sa A.
Sa letter A. Sige, bibi, tanaw na to. Sa ganito, 1-methyl-2-butene. Ang sa to? Yeah, 1-methyl-2-butene. Asay mo kuan. Tanawon sa nako imong 1-methyl.
Yun ang isa sir pero dili po ko sure.
Okay, sige. Sa manibig, line angle formula din mo. Sige, okay ra. 1-methyl. Ay, sa to, unsa nito? 2-methyl. Unsa to letter A, sorry. Sige, 2-methyl-2-butene. Yeah, 2-methyl-2-butene. So, CH3. Alright. Pwede na, ana, wala na CH3. Kay kung mag-line angle formula. So, 2-methyl kaysa 2-butene plus water. So, naman sa natin yung letter A. Then, you get, alright. Ano mo answer, no? Thessalonica,
Yes sir, dili
CH3.
ko sure sa akong product sir.
Sige, okay lang. Okay, so dinila sa ta ni number 1. Thank you, Thessalonica. Okay, class. So, muna yung structure. So, this is correct. Structure, 2-methyl-2-butene. So, this is our so we have our carbon 1, carbon 2, 3, 4. Then we have CH3 here. So, natin CH3 diyan no, sa carbon 2. Then, the double bond starts from carbon 2. Or it's between carbon 2 and carbon 3. So, this is the structure of 2-methyl-butene. Or, pwede na punta katong magdinani no, CH3, C, CH3. So, carbon na lang, double bond, CH, then CH3. Okay. So, CH3. So, muna answer. Alright. Before ko pa sa answer. Okay. So, the answer is kani nga alcohol. Ano? Any comment from the class? Could be,
Ano, na double bond lagi ng kuan sir kanang produce product
okay.
sir.
So, kanino? So, dapat wala na ning double bond kay ma-break naman ning double bond here.
Ay
During,
okay sir.
okay. Nadatay acid catalyst. Nalimut na sa catalyst. So, dapat namutang tag H2SO4. So, to really specify na this is an acid catalyzed reaction. So, the catalyst is sulfuric acid. Agoy, nawala akong hydro. Sorry. So, sige, ako na lang i-redraw again. Tuplok na. Oh, budget lang. Sa galito. Murag ani man to ba? 1, 2, 3, 4. So na double bond na diha plus water. So, one, two, three, four. So mawala na ning double bond. Ay, may line. Medyo taas, sorry. Nawala na po. Eh, just sorry. So again, CH3 double bond plus water, then the acid catalyst. So CH3OH. Pwede ra buta na to CH3. Specify. So pero wala na yung double bond. So kung mag-condensed structure formula po ta, CH3, C, CH3, double bond, CH, no? CH3 plus water. Then the product is, okay, natay catalyst, CH3, C, CH3. So din mo ba na tong OH? Okay, based on Markovnikov's rule, in this CH, may muna na siyang CH2 kay din man mo pad atong hydrogen, no, from water. So CH2 ni bali and CH3. Muna itong product for letter A. So itong reactant is of course the 2-methyl 2-butene. Water. Itong duha ka reactants. Ito ang label ang water. Then, okay, so may name ani atong kuan. Can you name the alcohol, the product ng alcohol? This is
2-methyl 2-butanol.
correct. 2-methyl, that's correct, John. 2-methyl 2-butanol. Okay. So, ang atong methyl group is on carbon number 2 and the hydroxyl functional group is napod sa carbon number 2. So, carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-methyl 2-butanol. Okay. So, any questions about letter A?
None
Okay,
so far, sir.
None. Now, for letter B. Kinsay na answer for letter B?
Ako sir na ay
Sige, Dran. Tanaw na to, Dran.
wait lang sir ha. Dali lang. Makita na sir.
Ay, sabi. Abay, atong tanaw. Wala pa. Eh,
Nakakuha na po ang
okay. Naara. Letter B. Asa man imong letter B, Dran?
sir. Makita sir.
Kita na. Kalyot may. Kaning structural.
Duha man na siya sir.
Duha na ni siya. Sige. So, natay double bond here. Then CH plus H2O. H2SO4. Okay, asa imo OH?
Ay di maklaro
Sige.
sir.
Dili, ato lang sige akong klaron lang ha. CH3. Dini mo OH?
Yes sir, dira kong OH.
Hydrogen. Sige lang. Then kaning Sige be. So imong structural is CH2 double bond C CH3. Then we have CH2 CH3 plus H2O H2SO4. Okay, COH. Alright. C CH3 muna ni. Okay. So muni no, sakto ba? Sige sige. Thank you, Dran. Sige, discuss na to ni. First is, yeah, correct, no? The line angle formula and the condensed structural formula is correct. So this is this is 2-methyl, one butene. So 2-methyl, 1 butene. Okay. So nag-react with water, then sulfuric acid, catalyst. Now, dinita sa structural. Okay. Dinita una sa kaning may mga carbon, hydrogen, or condensed structural formula. So OH, din siya ni attach sa carbon 1. So atong parent is butene man. So 4 carbon. Carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So ang OH sa carbon 1, asa ang hydrogen strand?
Ang unsa, sir?
Kay kung carbon 1 nag-attach
Ay,
ang
na-forgot ko, sir, sa kuan ubos anang carbon 2, sir. Sorry,
carbon 2.
forgot na ko og sulat.
Alright, diha na hydrogen. Pero question, naka-follow ni sa Markovnikov's rule? Ang imong OH dinhi mo gi-attach sa carbon 1, ang
Nabali, sir, murag I think sa kuan siya sa CH sa carbon 2 day ang H tapos sa
okay.
oh,
So ang hydrogen sa
ang hydrogen, sir, sa carbon 1 tapos si
carbon 1.
carbon 2.
Okay.
Ako, sir, sorry.
Sige, okay ra na, no problem. So ang hydrogen sa carbon 1 sa CH3 na ni dinhi, then ang atong OH sa carbon 2. Okay, that's one. Muna siya ang correct. So sa to po structure, right, dinhita. For our line angle formula, dapat wala ni siya diri. Ang atong OH is here. Di atong OH. Kani CH3 na ni. Diri. So ang product, then unsay name ani? Unsa din na ning name ani? This is 2-methyl
2-methyl 2 butanol,
1 butanol, sir.
2-methyl no. 2-methyl 2-butanol. The same sa letter A. So nakaproduce kag 2-methyl 2-butanol. Yeah. Kaya tong carboxyl group is naa sa carbon 2. So we have 2-methyl 2-butanol. So carbon 1, hydroxyl group on carbon 2, so that's 2-butanol. Ang atong substituent methyl is nagyapon sa carbon 2, so 2-methyl. So the name is 2-methyl 2-butanol. Any question?
None so far, sir.
Nan, sige. Okay, so ako na ning i-close nga kuha na screen. Na copy na. Ay, nag-end show na budget lang this. Alright, padayon ta. Now, for the mechanism na punta of acid catalyze hydration of propene. So for propene, so step 1 is proton, add a proton. So addition of H plus, this is H plus. So addition of H plus to the carbon of the double bond with a greater number of hydrogens gives a secondary carbocation intermediate. So the first step is the reaction of the double bond with the H plus. So makita na nato nino sa kaniya type of reaction. So again, take note sa curve arrow. So gikan siya sa double bond going to H plus. Then the hydrogen will attach to here, our carbon 1. So carbon 1, 2, 3, following the Markov-Nikov's rule. So kung mo-attach din niya atong hydrogen, this carbon in our carbon number 2 becomes a carbocation. So with a positive charge. Muna siya itong step 1. Step 2 is the reaction of an electrophile and a nucleophile to form a new covalent bond. So here, the carbocation intermediate completes its valence shell by forming a new covalent bond with an unshared pair of electrons of the oxygen atom of water to give an oxonium ion. So this one. So this water here, huh, so this, again, the curved arrow. So dito siya gikan kung asa gikan ng electrons will bond to this carbon. So this is called an oxonium ion. So the oxygen here becomes positively charged. So an oxonium ion is an ion in which the oxygen is bonded to 3 other atoms and bears a positive charge. So oxonium ion. So that's the second step. The third step is to take a proton away. So loss of each plus from the oxonium ion gives the alcohols and generates the new H plus catalyst. So mag-generate balik ang catalyst na acid, no? H plus. So mo leave, ma-break this bond. Okay, this oxygen hydrogen bond ma-break. Then the 2 electrons from this single bond will go to oxygen. So this one. So OH, alcohol na din siya, then we have the H plus. Ma-regenerate balik ang H plus from the acid catalyst. So again, examples. Let's look at an example. So propose a 3-step reaction mechanism for the acid catalyzed hydration of methylene cyclohexane to give 1-methyl cyclohexanol. So step 1 is add a proton. So the reaction of the carbon-carbon double bond with H plus gives a tertiary carbocation intermediate. So again, add a proton. So that's a reaction between the double bond and a proton. So ma-break ang double bond. Then the hydrogen will attach to this carbon, no, in the methylene group. No, this carbon here, CH2. So that becomes a CH3. And this carbon here, carbon number 1 sa atong cyclohexane ring becomes positively charged. So that is a carbocation, specifically a tertiary carbocation because there are 3 carbon bonded to this carbon. So kanina carbon, tulo ka carbon po ang bond sa iya. So this is a tertiary carbon. And since this is a carbocation, so a tertiary carbocation. This carbon, a tertiary carbocation. So that's step 1. Step 2 dion is the reaction of the carbocation intermediate with water completes the valence shell of carbon and gives an oxonium ion. So this one, so again the water, then the oxygen, non-bonding pair of electrons from oxygen forms a covalent bond with the carbocation intermediate, no, the carbocation intermediate here. And that gives this, no, oxonium ion. Itong oxonium ion. Step 3 dion is the removal of a proton. So take a proton away. Loss of H plus, so loss of H plus from the oxonium ion completes the reaction and generates a new H plus catalyst, or a new acid catalyst. So ma-break, no, ang bond, one of the oxygen-hydrogen bond ma-break, then the electrons will go to the oxygen. So resulting is nanatay OH functional group or the hydroxyl functional group and
Excuse me, sir. Wag
H plus.
naka-mute.
Ay, nakamute ko.
Ay, okay na day, sir.
Okay na. Okay. Sige. So again, here's atong step 3. Ang ma-break ning one of the oxygen-hydrogen bond, ma-break. Then the 2 electrons will go to the oxygen atom. And that will give us the hydroxyl, the OH, no, functional group. And then an H plus. Okay. Question. Padini? Sige. Now, may questions on practice exercise. Ta? So, propose a 3-step reaction mechanism for the acid catalyzed hydration of one methyl cyclohexene to give 1 methyl cyclohexanol. So 1 methyl cyclohexane. Okay. Balik-balik taning 1 methyl cyclohexane, natay 1 methyl cyclohexane. So muna itong 1 methyl cyclohexane. React siya with water, acid catalyzed hydration. So we have our acid catalyst. Then the product is 1 methyl cyclohexanol. Yun itong product. 1 methyl cyclohexanol. So the OH will bond to this carbon, hydrogen sa carbon number 2. So 1, carbon 1, carbon 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So muna itong himuan og 3-step reaction mechanism. So unsa galito atong step 1 ani ako na lang sa ni to a blank screen. So madto sa tag blank screen ang natay so again natay 1 methyl cyclohexene plus water, then acid catalyst. The product is 1 methyl cyclohexanol, OH, CH3. 1 methyl cyclohexane, then 1 methyl cyclohexanol. Zero carbon 1. Okay, so unsa galito yung step 1? Step 1 is add a proton.
Add a proton, sir.
Kung mag-add tag proton, so mag-draw na po tag structure. So, to 1 methyl cyclohexane, CH3 plus H plus. So, the Brahma break ang double bond in the 2 electrons will form a bond with our H plus to give asang H sa carbon 2 na siya mo-attach Markovnikov's rule. So the hydrogen mo-attach siya diha. So duha na din na sila. Initially na siya ang carbon 1 na ay uh, isa ka hydrogen, then after adding a proton matuna kay dito dinhi man pud mo attach ang ang H plus. Then we have CH3. Then this is our carbocation intermediate. So muna atong this is the carbocation. Carbon number 1 is the carbocation. All right. Step 2 is unsa galito yung step 2? So then may tabo sa step 2 sa atong reaction mechanism. The carbocation intermediate mag-react siya sa water, no? H2O ba to? Yeah, H2O. Sige. Ito na lang anaon. So water, H2O. So the curve arrow, this lone pair here, go to o mag-bond with the carbocation intermediate. So atong intermediate product for the step 2 is an oxonium ion. So natay CH3, then natay O, H, H with oxygen bearing the positive charge. Okay. Ang step 3 dayon is take a proton away. So the intermediate product in the step 2, which is the oxonium ion, ani. So ma-break no ang oxygen hydrogen bond, one oxygen hydrogen bond ma-break, then the electrons will go to oxygen. So this will give us na din the alcohol, and we have the OH, CH3, and the H plus. Okay, so this is our reaction mechanism, three-step reaction mechanism for the acid catalyzed hydration. Acid catalyzed hydration of 1-methyl cyclohexene. Question. Walay question? Ay,
None so far, sir.
sige, none so far. Patayin ta. Sa addition of bromine, halogenation, dali lang halogenation. Napay ko. Sige. Sige, kanina lang, kamay naman. Halogenation reaction. So, the reaction with halogens. Ay, kita to na-discuss last time is hydrogen halides man to, no? Halogenation reaction. So, hydrogen halide. This time, halogens na siya bromine or chlorine or fluorine F2 or iodine gas I2. No? So, chlorine and bromine react with alkenes at room temperature by addition of halogen atoms to the carbon atoms of the double bond. And this reaction is generally carried out by mixing the pure reagents together or by mixing them in an inert solvent such as dichloromethane. So it's either you react directly with the bromine or uh, the bromine is dissolved in dichloromethane, CH2Cl2. So example, for example, example number 1 nato is the reaction of 2-butene and bromine. Then we have dichloromethane here as the solvent. So what happened? Very simple. Na break ang double bond, then the bromine no, atoms attached to the two carbons bearing the double bond. So mo-attach ang bromine here, this, okay, lambira na to, parang makafalo ta, carbon 1, 2, 3, and 4. So one bromine atom will attach to carbon 2, and another bromine atom will attach to carbon number 3. And so the product is 2,3-dibromobutane. So 2,3-dibromobutane. Okay, another example, cyclohexene plus Br2, no? Bromine gas. The solvent is dichloromethane. So this is our carbon 1, carbon 2, in the cyclohexene ring. So ma-break ang double bond. Then bromine atoms will attach to carbon 1 and carbon 2. So the product is 1,2-dibromocyclohexane. So kana lang, very simple. kayo ang reaction, very straightforward ang reaction sa uh, alkene with bromine and chlorine. The same with chlorine, pareha ra gyapon sila. So let's have this. Ay, ano the answer? Practice exercise na answer akong gibutang in the slide. Anyway, so this is cyclopentene. Plus bromine with CH2Cl2 na solvent. So this one. So the product is the cyclopentene. Ang product then is 1,2-dibromo cyclopentane. So for letter B, again we have 1-methyl cyclohexane. So always yun nga ang double bond is carbon 1 and carbon 2. So you have 1-methyl cyclohexane reacts with chlorine, and so the product is this one. So ang chlorine mo attach to carbon 1 and another chlorine atom mo band mo form a covalent bond to carbon number 2. Then this is our product. Unsay name ani? Can you name this one? Say name sa atong product.
Um,
Aha.
Kuan, sir.
Yes.
1,2 dichlorocyclo cyclohexane, sir.
Dichloro. Napay kulang.
Ay, wait.
1,
Aday
2,
1-methyl
1-methyl
cyclohexane, sir.
cyclohexane. Correct. So
Yes, sir.
the product is 1,2-dichloro 1-methyl cyclohexane. Excuse me. Okay. Ano pa de? Napay practice exercise number 2. So, ang siran ta sa ani napamantay time. Napay mga 10 minutes or less than 10 minutes. So, for letter A, ato na lang ang siran. Okay. So, complete the reaction for letter A, natay CH3, C. Unsay name ani nga compound kaning letter A? Can you name this one?
Kuan, sir. 2,2 dimethyl butane, sir.
2,2-dimethyl.
I think one
Butane.
siya, sir.
Yes,
Three,
John.
three, three,
3
dimethyl
dimethyl.
butene, sir.
Oh, na number.
Ay, 1 butene.
1 butene. Okay. So, muna itong letter A. 3,3-dimethyl 1 butene. So, itong carbon 1 is carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So, IUPAC rule for alkane, give the lowest number to the carbon with the double bond. So, atong pag-number is we start from the right, no, going to the left. So, carbon 1, ang atong double bond carbon is carbon 1 and 2. Then, ang metal substituent is on carbon 3. Duha ka methyl. So, 3,3-dimethyl 1 butene. Ang product dayon, very straightforward mo kay ni reaction with bromine. So, CH3, C, CH3, Then we have CH, then bromine dione, then CH2 bromine. Okay. So, so unsa na name? Ani atong product.
Kuan
So,
sir,
yeah.
3 ay dili mas mauna ang kuan sir ba ang bromo sir.
Oh, una ang
So
bromo.
may alphabetical man sir. So
So,
1, 2 dibromo,
dibromo,
then 3 dimethyl 1
3,3-dimethyl.
1 butene sir.
Wala na iwan.
I want
Butane na.
sir.
Butane na din siya.
Butene. Yes
Butane.
sir.
Wala na. Dili na ENA.
Yes sir.
Oh. So, atom product is 1, 2, dibromo 3,3-dimethyl butene. Okay. Sige. Sira na nato dito ang letter B. Letter B is sa name gali anay? Sige naman nato ni ka-encounter.
Kuan sir, 1 methylene cyclohexane sir.
Okay. Pero wala na iwan. Ha?
I want
Methylene,
sir.
isa raman siya.
Okay.
So, methylene cyclohexane. So, plus chlorine this time, plus Cl2. Mhm. So, ang product dayo, okay, natay CH2Cl2 na solvent. Ang product is, sa itsura sa itong product, asa man ning duha ka chlorine. So, ma-break ning bond, so CH2, isa ka chlorine diri. Okay, may chlorine ta diha. Ang diha na lang ako ibutang. Then, chlorine pod here. So, name ani. Can you name this product? Sabi name ani. Let me see. Unsay name ani nga product? Methylene chloride.
Sir, unsay name ana kuan sir CH2 tas naka-attach sa iya ang chlorine sir.
Oh, yeah, unsay name ani? Kaya kung itasag ko, kay wala pa ako kabalo. Sa chloro. Okay. Hmm. Sa check na ko ang name. Para basig masayop ko hatag og name. Okay, ang name here, actually nani nga rule pero one close in parentheses because this substituent is CH2. C. Okay. CH2 is actually methylene, oh, yung name. So, but there is a chlorine no, attached to it. So, ang pang-name is 1, but this time we enclose it in parentheses. Methylene chloride, then 1 chlorocyclohexane. So 1 methylene chloride, 1 chlorocyclohexane. So CH2 is methylene. CH3 is methyl. CH2 is methylene. Pero this is not the common nga one. I-check na to. Sakto ba akong pag-name? 1 methylene chloride. Check na to yung structure ha. So 1 methylene chloride, 1 cyclohexane. Question, ay 11:30 na, but any question? Before that, let me check first kung sakto ba yun akong name.
Sir,
Magugos.
ay, excuse me,
Yes.
sir. Kaning sa last, sir, ba? Dili siya pwede may mong 1-chloromethyl, sir?
Dili. Methyl is stage 3 ang methyl.
Sige, sir. Thank you, sir.
Uh, ay, oo. Sige, sige. Ay, like it. What's up, other question?
None so far, sir.
Ay, sir, nalang ko'y clarification, sir.
Yes, yes.
Methylene gid na siya, sir, ang CH2, sir?
Oh,
Basta, kuhan siya, sir, kanang basta come siya sa isa ka carbon, sir. Kung bisag pila ka hydrogen ang mawala sa mawala, I mean mag-bond siya, like even duhara ma-part yapon siya sa kuhan, sir, metal nga group.
correct, Duran.
So dili siya always nga CH3 kay metal gina siya.
Mm.
Okay, sir, thank you, sir.
CH2Cl2 is methylene chloride. Okay, other question? Sakto, methylene chloride. Teka, let me end mine. Okay, 11:30 na. So, see you. Ay, kana sa itong next meeting. Monday, na tayo meeting. Mag-meet tag Monday, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kung mag-meet tanan Monday, mag-discuss ko during sa itong lab schedule. So, meaning everyone, all ha, all must be present. Dili lang katong Monday group sa laboratory. So everyone must be present sa Monday laboratory. because mag-discuss ko. Hopefully we can finish. Ana, kay 3 hours man na siya. Human na to tanan. Chapter 3. The third chapter. Parang coverage sa atong midterm is 3 chapters. Okay, so that's all for our class today. See you all on Monday sa atong laboratory schedule. Thank you everyone and bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Sir.
Thank you,